Good evening, everybody. We begin with the latest developments in the triple murder case against Cheshire home invasion suspect Joshua Komisarjevsky.
The defense is arguing to have the case moved out of New Haven, saying the suspect cannot get a fair trial following all the publicity with the first defendant's case.
News 8's Jamie Murrell is live outside of New Haven Superior Court with more on where things stand right now. Jamie.
Keith and Ann, perhaps it's interesting that here we are, the media, doing a story about the media and all the coverage that's happened since that horrific day in July of 2007. The defense really giving a few examples as to why this trial should be put in Stamford. One example they gave is that in New Haven, the New Haven Register in a certain time frame did 440 news stories on the Cheshire home invasion, whereas papers in Fairfield County only did 81. They say that is their principal reason why this trial in this county should be moved south. Can this man, a man his attorneys say has been demonized, get a fair trial here at the New Haven County Courthouse? That debate is what brought Joshua Komisarjevsky to court today with his usual police escort. The issue of media coverage, the sea of coverage, and how the horrific story that happened at the Pettit home has circled the globe. The defense brought Dr. Stephen Penrod, a psychology professor at John Jay College of Criminal Justice in New York, as an expert witness on pretrial publicity. Penrod performed an extensive survey in 4 Connecticut judicial districts about the public's knowledge of the case and their perceptions on Komisarjevsky. His findings include 75% of potential jurors across all districts believe he's guilty. 85% of respondents in New Haven believe he's guilty. 2/3 of those believe he should be put to death. Komisarjevsky's accomplice, Stephen Hayes, was convicted last year and sentenced to death for his involvement in the July 2007 home invasion of the Pettit home, where Dr. William Pettit was savagely beaten and his wife and 2 daughters were murdered. Defense attorneys asked Penrod if he believes a fair trial is possible in Stamford. Penrod agreed. His survey results show a slightly lower sample has extensive knowledge of the case. Neither Komisarjevsky's father nor Dr. Pettit said anything to reporters as they entered the courthouse on Wednesday. Of course, the prosecution saying that is what the voir dire process is for, interviewing potential jurors, asking many questions to make sure that they can make a selection for an impartial juror. Jury selection begins March 14th. Meanwhile, Judge Blue did not issue any decision at this point. They're back at it again tomorrow morning. We are live in New Haven. I'm Jamie Murrell, News 8.